Hi, we are going to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty for 18th July, that is on Tuesday. So yesterday we had a big rally, especially in Bank Nifty. Let's start with Nifty only. So in daily, this range is broken out and Nifty is moving higher, but the movement of Nifty is slow and steady. Again, we can expect a green candle here. Again, we can expect a slow and steady move. If it opens flat or slightly, let's say, gap up. If it is a big gap up, then we can expect volatility throughout the day. Otherwise, in the starting, it can give momentum, and first 5-10 minutes, then it can be a volatile move up down, and then by end of the day, it can again move higher. That's about Nifty. If we get a big gap down, let's say a gap down below 19,617, then we can expect failure of this one, this trending move. All these people who have positions here will be trapped, so we can get a sharp down. Uh, but the chances of this one is less. But if we get a very big gap down, then we are going to trade for a reversal that is on the negative side, selling side. If we get a big gap up, it might be a volatile day. Something like this might happen. Gap up, it might close good only, but intraday volatility will be there. So let's go to Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, after 12:30, we had a great up move. This channel is also broken out, and we already have got this channel's target. The next target is around 45,650. Let's say if it opens a big gap up of 100 150 points or directly above this one, we there are two possibilities. It might, in the first candle only, it might come down, or in the first candle itself it might move higher. The chances of moving higher is more. So if it is a very big gap up, 150 points, 170, 200 points, then we can expect a volatile day also. But it might be means what, it might close good only, like this, somewhat like this candle might form here, and it will try to touch 45,900, 850, 900. And if it trades there, it might even also touch 46,000, but the first target would be 45,900. What if we get a flat opening around 45,500 only, and it holds here for first 5 minutes, it doesn't break this high, and then if it breaks this high, it can easily take out this high also, 45,600, and we can get a good move till 45,700, 750, and then it might be a little bit volatile in the move higher with volatility. Let's say we get a cap down around 45,400, then that could be similar as today's story. So in the first few minutes only, Bank Nifty came down and it traded below. The same thing might happen. Bank Nifty might trade in this range for some time, and then in the second half, it might give a breakout and try to close near this level, or even try to cross this level, 45,600. The first target, if it holds, if it is a small gap down and holds this level, and in the second half, if we get the move, the first target would be 45,600, 650. If it holds there for a few minutes and then again breaks that also, the target would be around 45,800 on the gap. If there is a very big let's go to 5 minutes. If there is a very big gap down, let's say below 45,200 to precisely be around 45,800, this will be first trigger. If it starts to trade below 45,080, then we'll think of only put. We will avoid taking call above this level and above even this level, 300, 250, 300. We can expect we'll be only thinking to trading call, that is on bullish side. And also, as the momentum began here, 800, already people are sitting with 700 points of profit. If we get a big gap up, let's say 150, 200 points, people might try to book the profits. Some might even hold their position for 46,000. So there might be volatility as this trend is already set up. Some people would like to square off their position. Some might think of rolling over their positions. Some who have missed this rally will be eagerly waiting to buy at their position, make a fresh position. So there will be a volatility today. So we will try to avoid big quantity. We will try to trade with half quantity or small quantity and try to capture little bit bigger moves. As you can see in this range, it was hardly trading in a 400 point range. And then once it break out, it immediately gave almost 600 points move. Today also we can expect a day to be volatile. In intraday, we can get good swings of around at least 200 to 50 points up down movement. So no need to worry about the points. We'll keep our position sizing small and try to capture more points. So if we do have Nifty expiry today. So in Nifty also, Nifty is a little different. We are the first swing here and then a seller, and today we have this bullish green candle, and it is almost trading at this particular swing. So if we get in the morning itself, if we get a flat opening or slightly gap up opening, then in the first few minutes only it might move higher, and then we can expect some volatility. Some sideways we move around 20,400, and then by end of the day it might try to close around 20,500, or even means 20,500 by at least 1 o'clock, 1:30. If it opens a little bit gap up, let's say it opens flat and this size breaken out after first 5 minutes, or else we can trade with first 5 minutes red candle high take. Let's say in the first 5 minutes Nifty moves Nifty moves till here, then makes a red candle. We'll wait for that red candle high to be taken out. Once that high is taken out, we'll buy Nifty with the SL of that particular candle's low, and we will hold it for a target of around at least 70-80 points. So this would be around 20,440 to 450 would be one resistance region if it is going up from gap up. if it is a flat opening or slightly gap down opening, then 20,400 would be its resistance. If it is a small gap down opening, then we might first few minutes would be a bit volatile. Once it crosses this one, we can directly get a sharp upside move. Here also we will, if it opens gap down below 20,200 or 20,180 or something like that, we will think of buying puts and avoid buying calls. So today's expiry would be a volatile expiry, bullish volatile expiry. For 11, let's say the last expiry was a negative expiry, and on fourth we had a up move in the, I mean, after 11:30 started moving higher, and then it moved higher, and then by 1 o'clock 1:30 we had a sell off. 427 we had a bullish move. 20 also I think we had a bullish move. 13 also bullish, so we had bullish move, a little bit volatile, then one negative. 411, this was the one negative expiry. So as you can see from past few expiries, we had a pretty good upside move. So even today we can expect a upside move. As you can see, Nifty is opening very big gap up, 20,425. So it might be volatile, and by end of the day, it even might try to close above this particular level of 20,480. Bank Nifty also we are getting a very big gap up. So we might expect a volatile notice even trading above previous swing high. 45,673. So here there is two possibilities. Either the profit booking will come on the first minute only. If so, we will try to buy Bank Nifty around 600, 650 with a bullish pattern, or bullish candlestick pattern, or any bullish setup. We'll think of buying only if it moves higher. Then we'll think of selling Bank Nifty on the first 5 minutes red candle for small profit. The overall trend for the day is up only, but intraday there will be volatility. Thank you.